gonna start making Sharkweed slime. Don't know out.
My name is Better Gabriel.
My name is Winter Evangeline Ellis.
And we are going to make slime for Sharkweed.
Oh, no. So first, we pour the glue in. I'm late to it, sorry. You can mix the colors if you want. I prefer to do purple and blue, but you can do it. It looks like mine's basically like the deep sea glowing shark. I think he's good. That's good. Wait. Okay. Then we're going to. I think that's done. So next we add a little bit of baking soda. Okay, I'll grab my spoon. And you're gonna start mixing it. Okay. We're adding the body lotion because it makes it a little bit stretchier if you want to add it. But we're not gonna add it. We keep stirring it. Or you should stir in the middle. Add a little more baking soda. Okay, add a little more. You don't have to use your spoon because that's glue over it. Then you're gonna stir that. Then add cornstarch.
Done.
It's not even coming out. Okay, that's good. Then
No, I'll do it.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Now stir it. This makes it a little bit thicker. If you want. Also, I probably make it smell good. I don't know. Okay, mine's like a lavender.
Or this to make it more colorful. Good idea.
Now we're gonna add shaving cream. Okay.
I'll do it.
Oh, not on your hand, dude. Okay, get off my. Now we're gonna stir that. Oh, hi. Probably can't see that. Mine is gonna look lavender, so maybe don't use this clear glue. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of his glue. Adding his glue would probably be pretty if you mix it. I can't add any more glue into mine. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this. Okay, that's gotta be right here. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it. Mine looks like. Probably don't use the clear purple glue. Because mine looks like lavender, so probably don't use it. Oh, it's a spoon thing. Now we're gonna add contact solution. Okay. You can add a lot so it won't be sticky.
That's good.
Okay, we're gonna add that. Stir.
Stir it again.
Now we're gonna add body lotion. Or whatever kind of lotion is fine. gotta add a lot because mine's kind of. Wait, can I feel his? Oh, his is working out fine.
Yeah. And some body lotion. I think that's good. And you stir it.
Okay, I'm gonna add more context solution. Mine's not quite ready to mix it. Knead it, because mine's like crazy. I probably should have never used this color, but you can use a different sparkly purple. It's fine, because I didn't have it at Michael's, so I just wanted to use this one. Would probably be pretty, but it didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out now, and now we're gonna knead it like this. It's gonna be fluffy. If you add a lot of shaving cream, you don't have to add it. You're gonna knead it very carefully. I might add more of shaving cream, but he doesn't have to because he's got good stuff. Okay. I'm gonna knead the shaving cream into the slime. It's gonna make this weird sound. Mine kind of looks like the sky, kind of, but not really. If you guys, okay. Now, I think you just keep kneading it until it won't be sticky anymore. If you guys, you can use borax too if you have that. But if you get saline solution or whatever it's called, it won't be sticky, and you add a lot of it, it won't be really sticky. Wow. You can also add soap to see if it smells good. It smells like shaving cream.
Mine smells like soap and all different kinds of things. What does that do to the slime though?
Makes it puffy. Oh, shaving cream also makes it puffy. So if you want puffy slime, you get to do
Then knead it into the slime or something.
Yeah, do like this. Like a heart, like pumping down. Cool. And then you're gonna knead that into the slime. It might get over your hands, but it's fine. You wash it off in the sink or in the pool if you have a pool, if you're doing it outside.
Shaving cream, so I put a lot of shaving cream.
It might feel weird now, but maybe I shouldn't. It's now gonna be real stretchy.
Ooh, I like it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to do this for you right now. Okay, I'm gonna give that shaving cream to mine too. Next time we're not gonna do baking soda, we're gonna just do cornstarch to see if it's gonna be fluffier. Wow. Hey everybody, did you know that sharks can smell you from 260 miles away? Do you know that sharks only kill people 6 times a year, and
You're more likely to get killed by coconuts.
falling from a tree, hitting your head, or something like that. And they were here before the dinosaurs. Oh, and there was a megalodon. They're super big. And they can regrow teeth once they lose them.
Yeah, they could grow like thousands of teeth. They could just lose them for their whole life and not even care about them.
Show him the shark.
The big hammerhead's jumping.
Okay.
Hey everybody, I named my slime the hammerhead.
I'm naming my slime the Megalodon slime. They're big. Ooh. Darn.
Happy Shark Week, everybody. See you next time.
Cut!